Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom Instagram story for on your Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the website app or the the online version. Now both of them are still online, but either the app or the website. So you can choose your social media and then go to Instagram, click on Instagram, and then you should see a story template here. You can see it here. So all you have to do is click on it and wait for the page to load. Now you can either design a new Instagram story that you would love to post, or you choose from a template and modify the template. I would really prefer to modify the template, but if you have something original, you can always design one. So let's say we have, okay, you can see that I have premium templates, and this is because I'm using the paid version for Canva. I advise you to get it because it's very convenient for all your work. So let's say I have let's say I want to let's say it's something, let me say gym. I want to say something about gym. Okay, good. I like what I'm seeing already. I need something, maybe I need something about a female, maybe. Actually, okay, let me use this. So all I have to do is click on it, and then I can proceed to edit it to my choice or preference. Yes, I prefer this. I think good. So I can edit the individual text or even the image. I can change it, I can bring it, I can edit it to my taste. So this is how to create or design an Instagram story using Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a comment below. Do have a great day.